Starcom, a decentralized 3D global cyber command interface for performing open source intelligence and cyber investigations. This app is useful for financial market analysis. It can help you organize all of your intel reports. It can allow you to trade intel reports. The entire interface enables also the monitoring of space weather and all sorts of other data sets that are very handy in terms of understanding global net energy for monitoring how the fluctuations of the markets occur over time due to space weather and other issues that occur on a global and geopolitical stance. It's got a lot of settings and features that allow you to basically read and monitor all of the global situations that are occurring in the economy. It can also provide you intel about various types of events that are occurring. So in this case, we have a Space Force monitor, which then monitors all these new news feeds and then gives you handy extra short information on the top. And all of this information here can get fed into Starcom, a crypto watchdog, which is basically just watching crypto, a global monitor, so you can actually monitor all sorts of earthquakes and hurricanes and stuff like that. A gravimetric energy tensor monitor, which allows you to get a combined view and to see the correlation between planetary gravimetric field fluctuations and how that changes with the crypto price. And that can help you train and learn how to buy and sell just based on the ebbs and flows of the gravity that's being affected on the planet. And all sorts of other very handy and new types of interfaces for visualizing and understanding how the markets sway based on space weather and all sorts of other factors. Not only does this have the capacity to help everybody unite and work together on a global setting as a global intelligence community, it also allows you to operate as a netrunner, thanks to the netrunner interface that runs on an AI agent commander, which then controls a series of bots using this handy bot roster that then uses a series of scripts, tools, and flows in order to actually get all of the data set here. And so you can just put in, for example, google.com, and then press scan, and you can get the website data. And then using these, we can then scrape the information out of here and get whatever kind of information you want. You can make custom scripts and custom bots, which then work together and then also work with the AI agent in order to get you the information you need and then put it into the scan results over here. Once all of that's processed, you can bring it to the Intel analyzer, which then will allow you to translate that into what's called an NFT, an Intel report NFT. We can monitor the timeline of all of the Intel and Intel reports that have been generated across this entire platform. You can work on your own cases and then check out individual files within your own Intel reports. And then you can even read, as the whole thing also works in Markdown format and can easily be organized into a file folder structure of your choosing. Finally, you can get to the collab center and work with your team. And so everybody can work together, and using your Web3 login, you can then get you the ability to securely connect with your team without any worry. And we're going to be using post-quantum cryptography in order to make sure that is absolutely maximum secure and very difficult to hack. And if that's not enough, you can sell on the Intel Market Exchange, Intelligence Market Exchange. You can sell your Intel reports for top dollar, depending on how valuable the information is. And this is a new economy that's in a new industry that's going to be able to initiate a global citizen empowered intelligence community and hopefully enable all of us to break out as a unified planetary society using software just like this. And this is just the beginning. So hang on to your hats as we continue to work on Starcom.